Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We will learn about HTTP status codes. Status codes are issued by a server in response to a client's request made to the server. It includes codes from Internet Engineering Task Force IETF, request for comments, RFC, other specifications, and some additional codes used in some common applications of the HTTP. We can show you a list of Hypertext Transfer Protocol response status codes. The first digit of the status code defines the class of response, except the last two digits. Number 1 defines as an informational response process. Number 2 defines as a success processing. Number 3 defines as a redirection process. Number 4 defines as a client error. And number 5 defines as a server error. The last two shows the problem which are yet to be discussed. In number 4XX, this class of status code is intended for situations in which the error seems to have been caused by the client. The server should include an entity containing an explanation of the error situation and whether it is a temporary or permanent condition. For example, the requested resource could not be found but may be available in the future called HTTP 404 error. Subsequent requests by the client are permissible, which is temporary. On the other hand, which is permanent, like 410, the part of the page is no longer accessible. When this happens, a resource has been intentionally removed and the resource should be purged. This status is called 4XX codes. 5XX code, on the other hand, called a server error. The server should include an entity containing an explanation of the error situation and indicate whether it is a temporary or permanent condition, just as it's similar. For example, 503 error, in which service is not currently available. When this happens, the system is unable to handle the request due to a temporary overloading or maintenance of the server. Other examples you have seen, like 502 error, is a bad gateway. The server was acting as a gateway or proxy and received an invalid response from the upstream server. This status is called 5XX error codes. You can find out more errors if possible. So this topic you have learned for the HTTP status codes. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.